We're live.
Hi everyone, happy Saturday. We are in doing one of our favorite treatments, it's truSculpt. So I want to show you, we have our patient who's incredibly fit, and this is going to be sort of an introduction to why we're selecting this treatment and what our goals are and how it works. So what we want to do is just highlight his existing shape. He looks phenomenal. He has some really nice etching here in his muscle tone. He's been a patient of ours for a while, so we've created this enhancement on his already strong baseline. And so what we're going to do now is use truSculpt for the skin tightening and fat reduction to give him even more of a V taper all the way through his waistline. So if you just turn to the side, the area that we want to target is this right here. The male aesthetic is to be as V-shaped as possible. They become very narrow at the bottom and they stay straight. So what we're going to do is target this area first. I'm just kind of going to mark it out in dots so you can see. This is what we'll be able to shrink down. And we're not only going to focus right here, but we're going to start with this area and then move a little bit upwards because he can get a little bit of fat reduction and skin tightening here and then more fat reduction here to bring this part in. So the panels look like this. And these little squares are going to be placed on the skin side by side to cover this entire area and get the effect that we're looking for. So this treatment uses radio frequency. It's going to be a 15-minute treatment time. And in a few weeks, about honestly 4 to 16 weeks, we'll be seeing a lot of tightening and some reduction in the fat. Even sooner though, you're seeing the tightening because that RF on the skin really gives you nice immediate enhancement. So this is going to be where we start. I want to show you this device. It's made by Cutera, and this is the truSculpt ID. Just some things that make this unique is that the new technology with this truSculpt ID is that it gets set on the body in any position and distribution, even for really small arms or small areas like the arms. They stay positioned for 15 minutes, whereas the old technology required movement. So in this platform, you can have the stationary body applicators, you can have the movement body applicator, and you even have this one, which is one of my favorites. It is a smaller applicator size, which is great for right in front of the underarm and for the submentum. This is just 5 minutes for skin tightening and fat reduction. So that's a little bit about the device. I'm going to go ahead and get our patient prepped, and I will tune back in with you guys once everything's ready to go, and we'll show you how we apply everything to this area and what the treatment looks like. So stay tuned in just a minute. Thanks everyone. Okay, perfect. So let's do this. Basically what's going to happen